I'm Janni Skov Hansen, founder of Here We Are from Copenhagen, Denmark. An international HR professional with several years of experience within global people mobility. We have created Here We Are in order to write a new narrative on dual global careers. We're building a network that benefits expatriated employees, expatriated partners, organizations and societies alike. We focus on opportunities to work, to learn or to volunteer, and use digital opportunities to engage professionally. With Here We Are, you can take part in professional development events and activities that connect young and experienced professionals, nationals and internationals. You are invited to engage and contribute, to connect with people around the world sharing a growth mindset. Join us in co-creating a new network for global professionals on the move.